Hi guys, so this is part 2 of notes 4.4 and the second level of BuzzMath, simplifying expressions, introducing unlike terms. So this is very straightforward. It's just basically combining like terms by adding when we see them. The main thing you want to know is that when you see a variable all by itself, put a coefficient of 1 in front of it. When you see minus signs, change it to plus or negative. So for instance here, a negative 3p, we'll say plus a negative 1p, right? And so what are the like terms? Are negative 3p, negative 1p. That's just an SSAK. Remember your integer rules. Same signs, add and keep. So what do I get? I get a negative 4p. If I have negative 3p's here and negative 1p here, I combine them, get negative 4p. Pause the video and do number 1. Number 2, very similar thing, except this time I just say plus negative. So again, this is an SSAK, same signs, add, keep. So negative 4 plus negative 2 gives me negative 6, and then I just tack the variable onto the end of it. Number 3, 8n minus 5n. I could do plus negative, or I could just realize, hey, I know how to do 8 minus 5. It's the same thing as 8 plus negative 5. So those are both like terms. I get 3n. It should be a very quick level for you guys. So this was DSSM, different signs, subtract, keep the sign that we have more positives. Negative 7 plus 8, they're both like terms, so we're good to go. It's a DSSM, different sign, subtract, keep the one that has more. We have more positives, so it's 1a. 8 minus negative 7 is 1. Now BuzzMath will tell you you cannot put 1a, so what do? You just put a. So that's your answer. Number 5, we have 5a minus 6a plus 9a, so we say plus negative. If I were you, you could add the positives and then do the negatives, so you could rewrite this if you want as 5a plus 9a plus negative 6a using commutative property. You could say, okay, these are all like terms, but these guys right here give me 14a plus negative 6a, and then I have a DSSM, so I need 14 minus 6, which is 8. 8a because I had more positives. Number 6, again, remember to put coefficients of 1 in front of variables by themselves. So I'm going to do 1x and 1x. That gives me 2x plus 9. 9 is a constant. It does not have a variable. This is your simplified expression. You cannot combine 2x and 9. One has a variable of x, the other one does not. Number 7, 1d and 1d. Again, you can add those together. They are like terms. So you can get 2d minus 7, or you could write it as 2d plus negative 7. Either way, BuzzMath will accept. Okay. Number 8, we have 9t and 6t. Those are like terms to get 15t, and then the constant, and you just tack on to the end. That is not a like term, 15t plus 8. Number 9, 4n plus 8n is 12n. You could say plus negative 6, or you could just say 12n minus 6. Either one works. Okay, and again, the last one, you have negative 2b plus 7b. Be careful here, that's a DSSM, different signs. Subtract, keep the sign of more, so 7 minus 2 is 5b. It's positive because I have more positive. Plus a negative 6, so plus a negative 6, or 5b minus 6. Very straightforward. Just make sure you use your integer rules, use a number line if you need to, and only combine like terms, and always put a coefficient of 1 in front of a variable by itself. This is the end of notes 4.4 part 2.